Welcome back, Woodpeckers. Welcome back, Woodpeckers. Wood and Whiskey Wednesday, episode 20, iteration 4 or 5. Still here, still smile, still happy, still want to produce good content for you. There was ice in the cup, there was Jack in the cup, now there's just Coke in the cup. And Coke Zero, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. I can't have any more Jack. I got work tomorrow. And it's getting later and later. Can't do Facebook right now. Don't want me to upload any more videos. It's probably because of the quality of the videos that have been coming out. Waiting on something that I try to do a live on YouTube. I left it private. Nobody can see it. It's going to take a while to upload. So this is the third-ish, fourth-ish iteration. I'm going to try. Change some of the settings. I think these may work. Thanks for sticking along on the ride. And if any of you, famous YouTubers ever see this, what in the hell do y'all use? Because you make it look easy. It's not. We'll figure it out, though. So, fall. That's why we're here. Love fall. Best time of the year. I'm originally from Rhode Island. Do not like winters at all. You can have it. I'll watch it on TV. In North Carolina now, summers are... We don't know what we get. Could be hot. Could be raining. Could be hot. Could be dry. Could be raining one minute and then dry the next. Fall here, mellow. Love it. So we lean in. That's the best time of the year. I do have some things in the shop that I have made this week. Specifically, this morning I made these. And this is not the first take, you can see. But how cool are these? So these were the cutouts that I did for the apples at the beginning of the month for the start of the school year. I have a bunch of cutouts left. Make them into little pumpkins. Love it. Not up on the website yet, but it soon will be. I want to make a couple of different faces. So you get a couple of different options. We also have the nice little signs. Really anything you want to put on here, but this was there's a batch that I ended up getting off of Etsy. A bunch of different designs. These are the ones I like the most. This is the second one that I've done of the flying free flying lessons. I like that one. Sold a couple of them, but this is the second one that I kept. I ended up giving one of them away. We've got the Black Cat Spell Booster and Witch's Brew Coffee House, which it's probably been up here a couple of weeks now because I found it in my back corner. It's gonna end up going to my work because I like that one. The two different colors of spray paint. And the way that they mix in the middle, great. The other things you can see is I made this morning. So this was a round that I had cut out. I can't tell you when I've had it for almost ever. And you don't throw away good things. So I found this laser file when I was, doing some other things this morning. I was like, hell yeah, let's do that. Got some burlap that we've had. We picked up on sale last year. I don't remember where it was at. It was only a few bucks. We got a nice little bundle of it, so we can make some more. Let me know if you want them. I'm going to make a couple of them, put them up on the website. And, of course, we've got our earrings that did really well last year. All the Halloween earrings went crazy. So we're doing it again. I've got a couple of those that are, still need to be painted. The Nun, we actually watched that for the first time the other night. Pretty damn good movie. I don't like scary movies. Not my thing. I jumped a bunch. It was great. Cool little guys. So the other ones that I started today were some Mickey and Minnie's. And Minnie is a little devil. Can I do anything with that? Yeah, there you go. So she's a little devil. I'm turning that into a pin. Same thing with Mickey and his little pumpkin outfit. Gonna make that into a pin. Because if you know me, you subscribe to any of my pages, I wear all my pins because I love them. And we're back in focus. So that's a lot of what we've got going on. Oh, and you can't go wrong with the freaking dumpster fire that we have going on right now with this crap. I digress. We'll figure it out. I do want to make this, work so I don't have to work. But this is really hard shit. I'm going to keep this one short because I've redone this a few different times. November's coming up. Get your favorite veteran their own wooden ribbons, hang up on the wall, make a great conversation piece. I've had one in my office, the last 4 offices that I've been in. And it always starts a conversation. Not always the best conversations, but always a conversation nonetheless. So, keeping this short. And I think this is the way we're going to go from now on. I do like the lives. I like the interaction. But I want to make content. And I want to give you better content. And I don't want you to show up at 7:30 on a Wednesday afternoon to see me glitch and lag out. Not going to happen. But here in Doublet's Wood Emporium shop, we will continue to saw, sand. It's only Coke, but I'll sip it. Not say repeat, but I've got to go to bed. Bye, y'all.